Welcome. Now it's time to see how we can move an image using the keys WASD or the arrow keys. I'm gonna type from tkinter import everything, and I'll type here window equals tk window dot main loop, and I'll type here window dot geometry 500 by 500, and I'll type window dot bind, and I will put quotation marks W, and this is gonna call the move up function. Let's press Ctrl D, WS A and D. S is gonna move down, A is gonna move left, and D is gonna move right. Let's also add for the up, down, and left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we put here up, down, left, and right. Let me see if I have the correct function. So we have up, this should be move up, down, this should move down, left, this should be move left, and right, this is gonna be. So let's define those functions above here, and I will go down here, and I will type my let's call it car image equals to photo image file sports car. Then I'm gonna create a label equals to label. It's gonna be shown our window, and it's gonna have an image of car image. Then I'm gonna type label dot place x equals 0 and y equals 0. Let's run this to see how it looks, but it will generate an error because we didn't define those functions. So let's go up here, let's define those. I'm gonna define move up. We're gonna have an event, and we're gonna say label dot place x equals to label dot win for x, and y is gonna be, so y is going to be label dot win for y minus 10. All right, let's define another one. So that is the move up. Define move down, again label dot place x equals to label dot win for x, and here y is gonna be equal to label dot win for y plus 10. Let's define another one. So define move left, and it's gonna be label dot place x is gonna be equal to window label dot window x minus 10, and y is gonna be equal to label dot win for y. I'm gonna define another one, move right, and I'll type label dot place x equals to label dot win for x plus 10, and here I'm gonna type y equals to label dot win for y plus 10. Alright, let's run this. And now if I move the keyword, it's not working. Okay, we should define here event and event. So if I run this, now I can move left, down, up, everything works fine. But when I go to the right, it's going down, so let me fix that. Alright, so here y should stay the same, should not be moving. So right, down, left, upward. Alright, so everything works fine. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.